In this video, I will be reviewing the Kiritsuke from Kotai Kitchen with a 440C steel. Hello guys, I'm ChefPanko and I used to work in a Japanese restaurant. Make sure to subscribe to know more about cooking and knives. Before we start with the review, I want to go over some disclosures. This Kiritsuke review sample has been sent over by Kotai Kitchen. However, they do not pay me to make this video or to include the knife in a video. No one will get a chance to preview my footage or thoughts before the video goes up on YouTube. If this video helps you decide, please give this video a thumbs up since that will help the channel a lot. Now with the disclosures away, let's start with the review of the Kiritsuke from Kotai Kitchen. The Kiritsuke from Kotai Kitchen is made in China and comes with a 440C steel. They also have added a repeatable hammered pattern. The knife comes with a full-tang wooden octagon-shaped handle. The knife Rockwell hardness is specified with a Rockwell of 59 plus or minus 1. My review sample came with a Rockwell of 58. If used at home, you can get away with 3 to 4 months before needing a whetstone touch-up if you regularly hone your knife with a honing rod. The knife is sharpened at a 15-degree angle per side. The core material is also strong, so you don't have to worry about chipping. My review sample came with an inconsistent sharpened angle, and the blade is also quite thick behind the sharpened edge. The weight is around 190 grams, and the knife has no distal spine tapering. The thickness across the spine is 1.9 mm. The knife comes with a comfortable full-tang octagon-shaped hollow ebony wooden handle. Thanks to the hollow handle design, they managed to keep the balance point nicely in the middle. So if you pinch grip at the blade or cap, the knife will be middle balanced. The blade profile is relatively flat at the back and middle of the knife, but it gently gets a curve at the front. It is pretty similar to a gyuto profile. There is also enough knuckle clearance. The knife had a few flaws. My review sample came with an inconsistent sharpened angle, and the end cap is not perfectly in the center. Other than that, the fit and finish were good. I do wish that I thinned out the blade a bit after the sharpened edge. Despite the few flaws, the knife itself is pretty good. The handle is comfortable, the balance point is nicely in the middle, and that is thanks to the hollow handle design. 440C is a good and durable material, and it comes with a unique unboxing experience. At the same time, the hammered pattern is repeatable and not uniquely individually created. It is not a bad thing as it saves time and labor cost. However, the price point is very steep for what you get. The included saya is very rough. The blade is also on the thicker side behind the edge, which causes a splitting effect. Worth it or not for you, that is something only you can decide. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or other opinions, leave them in the comment section below. If I helped you decide, please give this video a thumbs up since that will help the channel a lot. If you want to know more about cooking and knives, please subscribe and hit the bell to get notified. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video.